I just do a quick build on my vape. I got my camera that I ordered from Amazon today on Memorial Day. Amazon is not fucking playing around. Happy Memorial Day to everybody. Thanks to all of you that have served and all the vets out there. But I ordered this camera for my car. Unbox it real quick, and in the future when I install it I'll do a video on that. Let's do a quick unboxing. This is the one I ordered right here. Approved by thousands of customers. I figured fuck, $22.45. If I don't like it, it's not that big of a loss. But let's unbox it and check it out. Sorry if it's hard to hear, the dryer's going. It's the hole saw. There's a couple different ways you can mount it. This, if you want to do a flush mount, is what I might do in my bumper. Because I really don't want to run the wire through my hatch, through the boot, so it can open and all that shit. Here's the other mount. It can like go under your license plate. I don't want to do all that. I think I'm gonna do the flush mount. This will be the camera. Dude, that thing is tiny. Thing is super tiny. Let me get something real quick. It's like the same size. It's a nickel. So in the reviews it said that the hole saw was actually pretty decent. I feel like this thing would just chew up my fucking bumper. Yeah, I don't know. I think we'll try and find one with some smaller teeth. Since the outer rim of this isn't so big, I don't want to have a chewed up fucking cutout. But seems pretty straightforward. I've never done a backup camera. So I'm assuming this goes to the reverse light on ground. Plugs into this. Or one of these does. I know this goes up to the head unit, to the harness. I have to figure it out, but quick unboxing. Pretty slick little camera though. $22.45 on Amazon. Thanks for watching.